In this video, I will be showing you how to fix if your Chatgpt Plus credit card has been declined. Let's get started. First, I'm on the Chatgpt homepage. I go to the bottom left corner and click on my profile, then select the upgrade plan. Here you can see the different subscription options like the Plus plan. If you've been trying to upgrade here and your payment keeps failing, let's close this window and try a few troubleshooting steps to get it working. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with online payments. I go up to the top right of my browser. Click the extensions puzzle piece icon and open Manage Extensions. Here I want to check for any active VPNs or ad blockers that might be stopping the transaction from going through securely. If you have a VPN like the one shown here, make sure to temporarily disable it or turn it off while you attempt to make your payment. Now, I open a new tab and go to Google. I type in OpenAI support and press enter. I click on the very first search result to open the official OpenAI Help Center. Once the page loads, I look for the black chat bubble icon down in the bottom right corner and click it to open the support widget. Then I click on Ask a Support Question to start a new conversation. Now, I type a detailed message to the support team explaining the situation. I write out that I'm trying to subscribe to Chatgpt Plus, but my credit card keeps getting declined during the payment process. I also make sure to mention the troubleshooting steps I have already taken so they know what we have ruled out. I let them know that I verified my card details are correct, checked that I have sufficient funds, and ensured that online and international transactions are enabled on my card. I also tell them that I tried using a different browser and an incognito window, but the payment is still being declined. Finally, I ask them to help me identify the cause of the issue and advise me on how to complete the subscription, and then I send the message. The automated assistant then asks for my email address to continue with the support ticket. I type in my email address and submit it. The system receives the email and takes a short moment to review the request and pull up the relevant help documentation. After a few seconds, the AI support assistant replies with a detailed list of common reasons for payment declines and a checklist of things to try. I scroll through to read the suggestions, which recommend clearing the browser cache, ensuring VPNs and pop-up blockers are fully disabled, confirming that the billing address and zip code exactly match what the bank has on file, and contacting the card issuing bank directly to authorize the transaction. Reviewing these steps and logging this ticket with support is the best way to resolve the decline and successfully upgrade your account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.